Hello everyone, Chef Gordon Ramsay here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own red chili powder, a staple in any kitchen for adding that perfect kick to your dishes. You think those store-bought powders are good? Think again! Filled with preservatives and lacking that fresh, vibrant flavor, they're an insult to any self-respecting chef. We're going to make it right, from scratch, and you'll taste the bloody difference. First things first, you need to pick your chilies. And let me tell you, this is not the time to be a wimp. We're looking for flavor, for heat, for something that'll wake up your taste buds. Kashmiri chilies will give you a beautiful red color and a mild heat, perfect for those who can't handle the real deal. But if you want to feel the burn, go for cayenne or even Scotch bonnets. Remember, freshness is key. We want plump, vibrant chilies, not some sad, dried-out excuses for peppers. Now that you've chosen your weapons, it's time to dry them out. Sun drying is the traditional method, but let's be realistic. Not everyone has the luxury of time or sunshine. A bloody oven will do the trick just fine. Lay those chilies out on a baking sheet, low and slow, until they're crisp and brittle. You can even use a dehydrator if you're feeling fancy. The key here is to remove all the moisture so they grind into a fine powder. No one wants a chunky chili powder, that's just unprofessional. Now this is where you can customize your chili powder. Removing the stems is a must. They add nothing but bitterness. But the seeds, that's where the real heat lives. If you like your food with a fiery kick, keep those seeds in. But if you prefer a milder, more nuanced flavor, then by all means remove them. It's your bloody chili powder, make it your own. Now for the fun part. Get yourself a spice grinder and blitz those dried chilies into a fine powder. If you're feeling traditional, grab a mortar and pestle and work those muscles. The longer you grind, the finer the powder. And remember, we're looking for consistency here. No one wants to bite into a massive chunk of chili in their food. That's just asking for trouble. You think we're done? Not a chance. We're going for perfection here. Grab yourself a fine mesh sieve and sift that chili powder. This removes any stubborn bits and ensures a smooth, consistent powder. Don't you dare throw away those larger pieces. Toss them back into the grinder and give them another go. We don't waste anything in this kitchen. Congratulations, you've just created your own red chili powder. Now, let's talk storage. We need to keep this masterpiece fresh and potent. An airtight container is your best friend here. Find a cool, dark place in your pantry, away from any heat or moisture. And don't forget to label it with the date so you know exactly when to use it up. Remember, fresh ingredients are the key to incredible flavor. And there you have it, your very own homemade red chili powder ready to spice up your meals. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it's packed with flavor. Give this a try and see how it transforms your cooking. You'll never go back to that store-bought rubbish again. Until next time, happy cooking!